Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Agarwal. In this video, we are going to see the exercise related to imperative grammar. So see, schreiben Sie the imperative Sätze. Means you write down the imperative sentences. So how can you write these sentences in imperative? So see, first sentence, du hörst die CD. Means you listen the CD. So how can you write in imperative? Just you write hör the CD. Means you listen the CD. Here you remove do, you remove st. Just you write hör the CD. Next, the lesen, then text. Means you all read the text. So how can you write this sentence in imperative? First you write verb, that is called lesen. Then you write the subject. Then you write text. Then text. Lesen Sie then text. Means you all read the text. Ihr ruft in Rathaus an. Means you all call in town hall. So how can you write in imperative? You remove IHR, just you write ruft im Rathaus an. Means you all call in the town hall. So here just you remove IHR and remaining sentence you write as it is. Next, Sie lernen die Wörter. Means you all learning the words. So how can you write in imperative? Lernen Sie die Wörter. Means you all learn the words. Next, du hilfst mir. Means you help me. So how can you write in imperative? You remove do, just you write help, and you remove st, and you write mir. Help mir means you help me. Next, ihr kommt morgen zu mir. You all come tomorrow to me. So how can you write in imperative? Kommt morgen zu mir means you all come tomorrow to me. So just you remove IHR. Remaining sentence you write as it is. Du gibst mir den Kuli means you give me the pen. So how can you write this sentence in imperative? You remove do, you remove st. Just you write give mir then Kuli. Means you give me the pen. Kuli means pen. Next, ihr lernt bis morgen die Wörter. Means you all learn till tomorrow the words. So how can you write imperative? Just you remove IHR and remaining sentence you write as it is. Lernt bis morgen die Wörter. Means you all learn till tomorrow the words. So in imperative, whenever you are framing the sentence with do, whenever you frame the sentence in do, in imperative you remove do and you remove st. When you are framing the sentence with z, in imperative, first you write verb, then you write subject z. When you are framing the sentence with IHR, ear, so you remove IHR and remaining sentence you write as it is. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.